Let us move on to the second question. Fill in the blanks with symbols greater than, less than, or is equal to sign. A bit -3 plus -6 dash -3 minus of -6. B -21 minus of -10 dash -31 plus -11. C 45 minus of -11 dash 47 plus -4. And D -25 minus of -42 dash -42 minus of -25. Take down the A bit. -3 plus -6 dash -3 minus of -6. Let's do the solution. On the left hand side of this equation, we have two negative integers for addition. On the left hand side, we have -3 and -6. -3 plus -6. When we are adding two negative integers, we'll take minus as common from both the numbers. Here also we are taking minus as common from both the numbers, from -3 and from -6. Here we get two positive integers for addition. They are 3 and 6. We know that 3 plus 6 is 9, so -9. On the left hand side, we get -9. On the right hand side of this equation, we have -3 minus of -6. Here we have subtraction of a negative integer. We know that subtraction of a negative integer is nothing but addition of its additive inverse. Additive inverse of -6 is +6. So we are adding -3 to 6. It can be written as 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. For this equation, finally we got on the left hand side -9 and on the right hand side we got 3. Always a negative integer is less than a positive integer. So we will fill this blank with the symbol less than. Take down the B bit. -21 minus of -10 dash -31 plus -11. Here we should find the sign with which this equation will balance. Coming to the solution, on the left side of this equation, we have two negative integers for subtraction. -21 minus of -10. Here we are subtracting a negative integer. For the subtraction of negative integer, we can add the additive inverse of that integer. Additive inverse of -10 is +10. So we are adding +10 to this -21. Now we have one negative integer and one positive integer. When we have one positive integer and one negative integer, we should subtract them, but answer will take sign of the bigger integer. So now we are subtracting 10 from 21. Since 1 is greater than 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. We get 11. But this 11 takes the sign of bigger integer. When we compare 21 and 10, we know that 21 is bigger integer. So this 11 takes the sign of bigger integer 21, that is nothing but minus. On the left hand side, we get -11. Coming to the right hand side of this equation, we have two negative integers for addition. They are -31 plus -11. When we are adding two negative integers, we will take minus as common from both the numbers. Here also we are taking minus as common from -31 and -11. That is minus of 31 plus 11. Here we have two positive integers for addition. We can add these two numbers like this: 31 plus 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. So take the minus sign as same, and 31 plus 11 we get 42. On the right hand side we got minus 42. For the question, on the left hand side we get minus 11, on the right hand side we get minus 42. On the number line, for negative integers, the integer which is less far from the 0, that will be the bigger integer. When we compare minus 11 and minus 42, minus 11 is less far from 0. Then the solution is minus 11 is greater than minus 42. Write down the C bit. 45 minus of minus 11 dash 47 plus of minus 4. Here we should find the sign with which the given equation will be balanced. Coming to the solution, on the left hand side of this equation we have 45 minus of minus 11. Here we are subtracting a negative integer. For subtraction of negative integer, we can also write as the addition of its additive inverse. We know that additive inverse of minus 11 is plus 11. So we can add 45 with 11. Then the sum of 45 and 11 is 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5. We get 56 on the left hand side. Coming to the right side of this equation, we have 57 plus minus 4. Here we have one positive integer 57 and one negative integer minus 4. When we are adding one positive integer and one negative integer, we should subtract them, but answer will take sign of the bigger integer. So we are subtracting 4 from 57. Since 7 is greater than 4, we can subtract directly. 7 minus 4 is 3. Write it as same 5. We get 53. This 53 takes the sign of bigger integer. By comparing 57 and 4, we know that 57 is greater integer than 4. So this 53 takes the sign of bigger integer, that is plus. So on the right hand side we get 53. Now we are comparing left side 56 with the right side 53. We know that 56 is greater than 53. So the solution of this equation is greater than sign. Take down the last bit D. Minus 25 minus of minus 42 dash minus 42 minus of minus 25. To balance this equation, we must fill the blank with suitable sign. Coming to the solution, on the left side of this equation, we have minus 25 minus of minus 42. Here we have subtraction of a negative integer. For the subtraction of negative integer, we can write the addition of its additive inverse. So we can write here minus 25 plus 42. It can be written as 42 minus 25. Since 42 is greater than 25, we can apply general subtraction. That is, we are subtracting 25 from the integer 42. Since 2 is less than 5, take a power of 10 from the 4. It will become 12. It will become 3. 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. We get 17. On the right hand side, we have minus 42 minus of minus 25. Here we have subtraction of negative integer. For the subtraction of negative integer, we can write the addition of its additive inverse. That is nothing but minus 42 plus 25. Here we have one negative integer and one positive integer. When we have one positive integer and one negative integer, we must subtract them. But answer will take sign of the bigger integer. So now we are subtracting 25 from 42. Since 2 is less than 5, we take a power of 10 from 4. This will become 12. This will become 3. 12 minus 5 is 7. And 3 minus 2 is 1. We'll get 17. But the 17 takes the sign of bigger integer. Here we decide bigger integer by eliminating their signs. Ignore the signs minus and plus before 42 and 25. We know that 42 is bigger integer than 25. So this 17 takes the sign of bigger integer 42, that is negative. On the left hand side we got 17 and on the right hand side we got minus 17. Always a positive integer is greater than a negative integer. So we can fill this blank with the greater than symbol. Moving on to the third question, fill in the blanks. A. Minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0. B. 13 plus dash is equal to 0. C. 12 plus minus 12 is equal to dash. D. Minus 4 plus dash is equal to minus 12. And E. Dash minus 15 is equal to minus 10. Take down the first bit, A. Minus 8 plus some integer is equal to 0. Let's do the solution. When we are adding two integers, if the solution is 0, then the two integers must be additive inverse of each other. Here, we are adding two integers. One integer is minus 8 and another integer we don't know. But the solution is 0. When we are adding two integers, if the solution is 0, then the two integers must be additive inverse of each other. Here the unknown integer is nothing but additive inverse of minus 8. Additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. So the unknown integer suitable for the blank is plus 8. So the solution minus 8 plus dash is equal to 0 is plus 8. Take down the B bit. 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Coming to the solution, if addition of two integers is equal to 0, we have one condition, that is, the two integers must be additive inverse of each other. Here, additive inverse of 13 is minus 13. Additive inverse of plus 13 is minus 13. So, the blank should be filled with the integer minus 13. Minus 13 is the solution. Write down the C bit. 12 plus minus 12 is equal to dash. Coming to the solution, in the given question we have two integers, one is 12 and minus 12. We can observe that 12 is additive inverse of minus 12. If we are adding an integer with its additive inverse, then solution must be 0. The condition is, if we are adding an integer with its additive inverse, then solution must be 0. Now we are adding 12 with its additive inverse minus 12. Then the solution must become 0.